Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're looking to upgrade your home security with smarter and more convenient access, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best smart locks for front doors, selected for their security features, compatibility, ease of use, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. Starting at number 1, we've got the eufy C220 Smart Lock. This lock focuses on convenience and low maintenance with an impressive battery life of up to around 8 months from a set of 8 AA batteries, so you're not constantly swapping them out. Its self-learning AI fingerprint tech gets more accurate over time and typically unlocks in under 1.5 seconds, making daily use feel instant and reliable. You get 6 ways to get in: fingerprint, keypad, app, physical key, Apple Watch, and voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant, so every member of the family can pick what works best. Built-in Wi-Fi means you can control it remotely in the eufy app without buying a separate hub, with features like notifications, access logs, and temporary codes. It installs on most standard deadbolts in about 15 minutes with basic tools, and integrates nicely with other eufy gear like video doorbells for a tighter smart home setup. If you want a fast fingerprint lock that just works and doesn't chew through batteries, the C220 is an excellent fit for most modern front doors. Next up, at number 2, is the Schlage Encode Smart Lock. This deadbolt is all about robust, proven security with flexible smart controls. It has built-in Wi-Fi, so it connects straight to your home network, no extra bridge required, and can be managed through the Schlage app from anywhere. You can create up to 100 unique access codes, schedule them, and see time-stamped activity to know who came and went. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control, and can integrate with popular smart home platforms and video doorbells for unified control. Security-wise, it uses encrypted communication, includes a built-in alarm that can detect forced entry attempts, and carries top ANSI bhma ratings for residential security, durability, and finish. Installation is DIY friendly with just a screwdriver, and features like Snap and Stay help hold the lock in place while you mount it. With auto lock, a fingerprint-resistant touchscreen, and multiple style and finish options to match different doors, it's a great pick if you want a highly trusted brand with serious security credentials and polished smart features. Now, at number 3, we have the Philips Deadbolt Smart Lock. This package usually includes both the smart deadbolt and matching lever handles, so you can upgrade the entire hardware set in one go for a cleaner look and better usability. It supports several ways to unlock: fingerprints, PIN codes, physical keys, and app control, so it works for both tech-savvy users and those who still prefer a traditional key. Bluetooth lets you unlock within close range without needing Wi-Fi, and an optional gateway can add full remote access, sharing permissions, and detailed event logging for rentals or frequent guests. The fingerprint reader can store plenty of prints, making it suitable for families or shared homes, and its recognition is tuned for fast one-touch access. Battery status alerts help you stay ahead of low-power situations, reducing the chances of being locked out unexpectedly. If you want a full handle and deadbolt refresh with flexible, keyless entry and the option to add remote control later, the Philips Deadbolt is a practical and polished solution that balances security with everyday convenience. Moving on to number 4, let's talk about the Veise VE06 Smart Lock. This lock is designed for flexibility, especially for households, small offices, or rentals that need many different users. It supports multiple entry methods: app, keypad codes, fobs or cards, mechanical keys, and interior thumb turn, so you can issue access in whatever form makes the most sense. Through the companion app and an optional G2 gateway, you can manage over 250 user codes, add temporary or scheduled access, and see detailed access logs in real time, which is great for guests, cleaners, or tenants. Features like auto lock, one-touch locking, privacy mode, and anti-peep keypad input help keep your door secure while still being convenient to use daily. It fits standard US doors and can usually be installed with just a screwdriver, making it realistic as a DIY upgrade. With a full lock set version that includes a lever handle, it can also upgrade the overall look and ergonomics of your entry. For people who need granular user management and smart home integration while keeping a traditional keyed backup, the VE06 offers a very balanced mix of control and ease of use. Finally, at number 5, we've got the LOCKSTAR Fingerprint Smart Lock. This one aims to give you virtually every access method in a single device: fingerprint, keypad codes, app control, access cards or fobs, and a standard key cylinder. Auto lock can secure the door a set time after closing, and you can also long press on the keypad to lock manually when leaving. The companion app provides a full event history and real-time notifications, so you always know when the door is used and by which method, which is particularly helpful for busy homes or shared properties. It's designed to fit most doors and installs with basic tools, and a drill bit is included for situations where you're adding a lock to a new door or upgrading a solid door. The focus here is on flexibility and oversight, making it easy to let in family, guests, or service providers while still maintaining strong control and visibility. If you want lots of ways to unlock and detailed tracking paired with straightforward installation, the LOCKSTAR is a very capable and convenient choice for upgrading your main entry. And that wraps up the top 5 best smart locks for front doors. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Tech Talk Reviews, and turn on notifications for more upcoming content. Thanks for watching, and see you next one.